Hi, hello, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. Myself Prasanna. I'm from Learning Management System Task Force, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Uh, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ again. All these days we're getting calls that OBS Studio has not been able to work in their system, or they're unable to install OBS Studio since graphical processing unit has not been updated or processor is very old. For those who are not able to install OBS Studio or use OBS Studio on their screen, there's an alternative, the many alternative, but I'll be presenting you one of the alternative that is all of us are very familiar with, that is Zoom meeting. So in Zoom meeting, you can record yourself, and in the same way, like the way we present ourselves to somebody in the meeting, you can record ourselves for e-content development 2020. This part of Learning Management System 2020. We are designing templates and guides for recording yourself for e-content development. So I'm using Zoom here. I'll be presenting same thing, how to use Zoom to record your class. I'll start screen now. As you can see, I've started screen sharing, I'm sorry. Yeah. So the very first step is install and open Zoom. Installing is very easy, as you're familiar with installing, it's as easy as installing WhatsApp on your Android phone. Once you install, open the Zoom. The very first screen would be this. Click on Start New Meeting, like the way we used to use for starting new meeting with other people. And then the very next step is, once you start meeting, one dialog box will appear, which will ask you to join with computer or not. Click that. Before that, you can check your quality of my audio using test speaker and microphone option, which has been displayed here. Click on that. It will play a ringtone, and then it will ask you whether that is audible. You say yes or no depending on your circumstances and what's happening there, and then it will ask you to say something, and it will repeat the same voice, so that you can be very sure my quality is enough to record yourself. See, I'm recording sitting in my home. You could see bit of noise here. So join with computer audio. Once you click that, your start recording screen appears. So the very next step is start recording. There's a button called record here. You could see in the screen. Click on that. Once you click on that, you could see on the left top corner a recording message, recording text would appear with minutes and seconds of recording. And once that is done, click on share screen. So it will help you to share the screen, the content which you want to give it to your audience, or along with your video. This is a screen sharing dialog. You select the screen and even click on share computer sound also. Because if you want to play something, and if you want to record that also, like playing a video as part of your presentation, it will help you. You can click on optimize screen sharing for video clip, which would compress your video size. That's optional. For now, let's keep it to the point, like what is needed now. Click on share screen, and then click on share. Your screen will start appearing on your recording screen. And this is the next step. You start sorry for that, there's a noise. Yeah, this is the next step where you start presenting yourself. Your presentation will appear. There's a video of yourself explaining the concept that you want to convey. Once you're done with everything, and there's an option in Zoom for annotation also. There would be pencil icon, which is on the top of this, you can see. So once that is done, once you record everything, go to Zoom, click on end meeting for all. It will end the meeting for all. And once you end the meeting, the Zoom will convert your recording into the format which you could upload or have it. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you. So if you have any suggestion, feedback, or anything, please write back to us lms.tek@gmail.com. Thank you.